Ever since I started using this homemade fertilizer, my strawberries have been incredible. They are bigger, juicier, and much sweeter than before. Many gardeners believe strawberries only need sunlight and regular watering, but the real secret is often hidden much deeper beneath the soil. In reality, you can see that even under the same conditions, some plants produce large, juicy fruits, while others remain weak and barely produce anything. The biggest problem is usually not the plant itself, but the condition of the soil and how efficiently the roots can absorb nutrients. When the soil becomes depleted or too compact, the plant wastes energy on survival instead of producing flowers and fruit, which leads to small strawberries with very little flavor. Another common mistake is giving certain minerals at the wrong stage of growth. Right now, while the fruits are developing, potassium and phosphorus are the most important nutrients, which is why today we are making a fertilizer naturally rich in exactly those minerals. The first ingredient is eggshells, but we are not going to simply crush them because they would take years to fully break down that way. Instead, we will grind them into a fine powder to speed up the process. Let me know in the comments if you use eggshells in your garden. Pour the eggshell powder into a little warm water. Now I will show you a simple trick with eggshells that most people skip. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and leave it for a few hours. Ground eggshells naturally decompose very slowly, but when vinegar is added, the acid begins dissolving the calcium carbonate and makes the calcium much easier for plants to absorb. This creates a faster and more effective natural calcium source that plants can use almost immediately. Next, add another ½ liter of hot water and 1 tablespoon of dandelion, a plant many people simply walk over in their gardens. Dandelion is actually much more than a common weed because it contains a natural mix of minerals that support plants during critical growth stages, especially flowering and fruit production in strawberries. When used as a liquid preparation, it can improve plant strength and stimulate beneficial microbial activity in the soil. The third and most important ingredient we will add is banana peel tea that I prepared earlier. I will pour in ½ a glass. Banana peels are especially rich in potassium, along with smaller amounts of phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. They also contain natural sugars and organic compounds that feed soil microorganisms and help improve soil fertility naturally. Leave everything to sit until it cools, then strain the mixture, dilute it with another ½ liter of water, and use it to water your strawberries every 10 days. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try this. See you in the next video.